You know, I'm kind of one of those old school chefs with the convection oven, the conventional ovens, the separate grills, the separate flat tops, the separate tilt kettles, not realizing I can do so much of that just in one unit alone. This here is what we call a self-cooking method. To get a perfectly cooked New York strip steak at 130 degrees with beautiful grill marks on it, to be able to serve to my guest I would be proud of in my restaurant, really took me by surprise. Yet I can do stocks in here, I can do sauces in here, you know, I can do a lot of more overnight cooking in here that's gonna control the cooking methods and give me better yields that's gonna give me a better return on my investments. These self-cooking centers can be programmed with full recipes, cooking procedures, etc. So if you have staff with limited experience with cooking equipment, I can push 4 buttons. It's gonna tell me then the rest of the steps to take. You know, it's technology, it's here to stay, and that's the next generation of cooks coming into the kitchen. You know, they know technology, they grew up with technology, so we cannot be afraid to introduce these types of technologies into our kitchen to really be more effective. But I want to be educated to really support our customers when they purchase this equipment. Then I can also go in and really help do that training. I can help with support, extra support. How do we program? How do we update the combi cooking centers? So that's really why I went. I really want to learn myself.